In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then you need to scroll all the way down to get to Permission Manager. Finally, you can tap on any of those features, select an app, and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, and select See All Permissions instead. Then manage all of those for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!